to make a choker for a doll using some tape, scissors, and a computer black paper and ribbon. I start by taking my black paper, cut it into a thin strip. To make a thin strip, take closed scissors and then rub it against it to make a little curl. Take your doll, wrap it around the doll's neck, trim off the excess, and take some tape, cut it to your desired length and thickness. Tape it at the back of the doll's neck to secure the choker. To make the basic paper choker. So I thought of taking my choker a step forward using some ribbon. Repeat the same process. Next thing, tape it and make a ribbon choker. I went online and looked for striped chokers, and this is what I could find. So I'm going to make this choker using some wool that I found at some stores. You can get it at any store. Cut your wool, and I would like to cut a long piece so that it can wrap around the doll's neck. And I used 8 centimeters wool. Grab your gold paint, and I placed it on a piece of glass. Dip the ends of your choker into the gold paint. Once it's dry, wrap it around the doll's neck. And I wrapped it like a few times so that it can look a bit thicker. So tie in a knot in front of the neck to make a gold string choker. And now, since I want to store my chokers, I just take a piece of paper, cut small rectangles on the sides, and repeat this on the other side. So once you place it like that, you're gonna place your chokers, secure them with tape to make a choker holder. And I also made it for the string choker, but only I made the rectangles a little bit short. So that's it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Tahimunawa, which is my Dolly Stuff, and we'll see you next time.